Hello guys, welcome back to our channel, Adenyas Mapishi, the home of simple meals. This is where we make cooking simple and easy, okay? So stay tuned as we begin, okay? So today we are going to learn how to make vegetable rice, and it's going to look very nice like you can see in the picture. But before we begin, remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell to be updated of upcoming videos. So let's begin. So our ingredients include rice, dania already sliced, we have carrots already chopped into smaller pieces, and we have green peas already boiled, yeah? So this is what you're going to use to make our rice. So first you're going to add your sufuria onto fire, and then add your oil, cooking. And then mix it well. So mix and mix and mix gently so that you don't destroy the cooked piece. So just do it gently and mix it well. Yeah, and then add 3 cups of water. So in this case I use 3 glasses of rice, so I'm going to use 3 cups of water. This cup is equivalent to 2 glasses, so basically it's on the ratio of 1 to 2. One glass of rice to 2 glasses of water. Okay, then add your salt to taste, and you can always taste, yeah, to make sure your salt is enough. Okay, so mix it well. Okay, and then you're going to cover it with a lid and allow it to cook for roughly around 30 minutes, yeah? Okay, so our rice is finally ready. You can see how beautiful it looks, eh? So it may not be evenly distributed, so you can spread it out to make it, to give it that good look, eh? And spread it well so that each spoon, when you want to serve, each spoon can get everything, yeah? It looks beautiful, yeah. Okay, so that is it. That is how to make vegetable rice, yeah. So you can eat it together with the stew. You can make any form of stew you wish. For me, I had to make minced meat stew. Okay, we're going to see it shortly. Okay, so that is it. Nice, simple, and easy. So finally, we've come to the end of our cooking today. Just a quick reminder, if you are watching this and you like it, don't forget to like and subscribe. That's the only way you're going to show support, yeah, as we head towards bigger and bigger videos, eh? So thank you so much, guys, and see you next time. Goodbye.